Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another StarLine i96 Pro with something very, very special with a call alert system. So if someone was to clone this key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So let's just turn off the car. So Thieves jumped in, they've started the vehicle up, vehicle starts, thinks great, they're away. So normal canvas immobiliser will react like this. As soon as I put it in gear, vehicle cuts out, but this is going to give you something very special. So if you watch carefully, customer is going to be alerted that the vehicle is under attack straight away. There you go. System's calling us. Okay. So now if I just end the call. Okay. So we know that the vehicle from day one is being attacked. Okay. If we now start it again, but this time, insert our code which we're going to change. 1, 2, 3. You'll hear a disarm melody. Here you go, and we can select a gear. Okay, or we compare it to this tag, which we haven't done so as yet, or compare it to the customer's phone. But as I said, this is something very different to the standard run-of-the-mill canvas immobilisers. This has a call alert system, so you know it's under attack. If you want to get one of these fitted, as I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number is 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.